Welcome back to Rocky Mountain Gardens. And if you're new here at my channel, you just discovered me, my name is Mary, and I do everything pertaining to gardens and your homes. I love to do crafting and thrifting, gardening, houseplants, you name it. So if you find something here that you like, I suggest you subscribe and join me. In the meantime, guys, today, as promised, I am sharing with you my winter home decor tour, and I hope you will enjoy it. And guys, next Friday, by the way, I will be back with another video, and this time it's going to have something to do with gardening because, you know, winter time is a very sort of opportune time for us gardeners to start getting ready and gearing up for the gardening season. So I hope to see you next Friday as well. Y'all take care. Let's begin by entering through my garage door into my kitchen and hearthroom area. And we'll take a quick stop here in my powder room. As you can see, I do have very wintry decorations. I do like to take and use those evergreens and flocked evergreens for winter decor, and I just remove all of the red and other Christmassy sort of decor and leave out the evergreen branches and garlands and so on. And there's my Valentine vintage picture that I made last week. I like to use all things that are silver and blue, white, with some frosty sort of tones on my things that I am placing out at the winter time, January and February especially. I made this sign last year and I still love using it on my mantle. I really love using gingham and lace for that cottage look. On these windows in my hearth room, the top ones, you can see I've started placing the beginnings of my bottle collection that I have been thrifting for, and have shown you some of those bottles in a thrift haul. And then I decided to add lace valances, and I used tension rods for that for these windows. Another step toward a more cottage look. There are my winter mugs. And I shared this beautiful European style valance made of lace that I got at a thrift store in one of my last hauls. That was really the inspiration for the cottage look. And you can see I am training this pothos plant to grow up the side of my window for a very warm look with houseplants. And here's another variety of plant. It's called a philodendron. I forget the name of the actual type of philodendron that it is. And there's a view of the entire area in my kitchen over my sink. And I have a small vignette here with snowmen. You might notice that all the snowmen I have collected for after winter are wearing blue, grays, and silvers for their little outfits. And that really is a wintry sort of color scheme. Now we're moving into my living room and dining room areas. And to make everything cozy, we like lots of pillows and throws to snuggle up with. Now let's take a walk to the dining room. Along with my snowmen and snowy trees, I always like to start getting out my garden things. And my Garden Gate magazine always reminds me of springtime. And in case you missed it, I'm using this wall cabinet to store my collection of pictures, at least so far. As you can see, we have a frosty day out, just perfect for a winter tour, don't you think? Well, friends, I must say thank you so much for stopping by and watching my tour. I do hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions about anything you saw in the video, just ask down in the comments below. Take care and bye for now.